own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Here we go, the regular fellas shootout. Red for the bread. Look at Wilson. Wilson got the onion on, man.
Who ain't paid?
I ain't paid.
Oh.
Yep.
You getting in, Tom?
Yep.
Oh.
Probably not my best judgment, but I'm gonna get in, all right? I'm a sucker for trophies. That's what it is. We drew a big Dakota in the 550 shootout. I'm not very confident in my tune-up at all. Feeling?
Feeling pretty good. Pretty hot out here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I figure you can cool off with all that ice around your neck, boy.
Yeah,
And that ain't snow, baby, that's my chain.
Stupid son of a bitch.
This video is brought to you by Tin Soldiers Race Cars. They got something to tell you. Watch this.
Want to weld buttery dimes like a pro? Enter our Everlast Welder giveaway for your chance to win the ultimate welding package.
We're not just giving away a machine.
The winner will also receive a welding helmet, gloves, and cups from Furic. Plus, you'll spend a full day at Tin Soldier HQ, learning all the tips and tricks from Jason and the rest of the boys. To enter, grab some merch from our website, including the limited edition Dimes Over Dishonor t-shirt, and you're in. Every dollar spent is one entry into the drawing. One lucky winner, one epic prize. Will it be you? Weld like a soldier boy. Enter today. TinSoldierRaceCars.com.
I want to know how to weld like a soldier boy. All right, well, look here, folks. I'm going to load all these nitrous bottles. You're going to watch a montage of us going to Wichita Raceway Park. We ran Little Gangsters class, and we also ran True Street, and we're going to run all the way down to Little Gangsters until we split with our teammates, and then we're going to get our asses busted by Laney in the semifinal of True Street. Watch this montage while I load these bottles. Watch. give me a track breakdown. Here we are testing for Little Gangsters at WRP, right?
Yep.
First time that you've been racing with just you and Dad
Yeah.
in a long time. And you had fun?
Yes, I have.
You had a good time? What's your favorite part of the track today?
It's cold.
It's not hot, you mean?
Yeah.
It's actually our first night. It's our first night in 100 nights where it's not 1,000 degrees outside. All right, so give us a run breakdown here. What's the first number you're seeing here?
0.
All right, that was our dial in. The reaction time, it's gonna be hard for y'all to see this, but I'm trying. The reaction time was 0.2. The 60 foot, well, it's a 60 foot. 1.27 60 foot.
Yeah, that's good.
And it went 527 at 133.8 mile an hour, right?
Woo.
Shoo! So tomorrow we're running Little Gangsters.
Yeah.
And how fast can you go in Little Gangsters?
Fast.
How fast is that?
And,
530.
oh, you can go 5:30.
Yeah, so how fast did we go tonight? 527. So
First person to subscribe gets a box.
Nobody's getting a box of Marlboros. Those are cowboy cigarettes. All right. We went too fast tonight. All right.
Yeah.
And thank you for your help. I
Too
appreciate you
fast.
coming. I love you very much.
I love you.
You ready for Taco Bell?
Yes.
Let's get Taco Bell. You putting the GoPros up?
Yep.
You want me to quit recording you? Is that a yeah or no?
I don't know.
Yeah, he gets all shy in front of the camera. All right, your boy's getting ready for Outlaw Armageddon this weekend. I'll be there all weekend. Thursday, 32 cars, $1,000 buy-in, pays $32,000. No, I'm not racing in it. Not nearly fast enough for that. But I'll be there. And I'll be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday. After that, we're going to Ice Cream Cruise. Can't believe I'm saying that. But, yeah, my boy Barrett convinced me, let's go to Ice Cream Cruise. So we're going to go to Ice Cream Cruise. I don't know if that's in Kansas. I don't know where it is. After Ice Cream Cruise, I'm going to FL2K. And then after that, I'll be at James Futch's event at Yellow Belly. But that's like 4 weeks from now. So let's just focus on this weekend. I'll be at Outlaw Armageddon. Where are you going to be at? Also, check that out. Jimmy Dale bottle labels. So if you buy anything, you know, code MAGIC, Nitrous Express, you can get that bottle label if you want it. You don't have to. Don't force yourself. But also, look at this. Smart bottle bracket right there. Look at that. Ingenuity. Science. Innovation. Whoa!
What did I say?
It wasn't a gap.
It was like a little bit of a gap.
It was not a gap.
Maybe a little bit.
No, it was not a gap. A half a car is not a gap.
You know, there was a gap though. Like,
What gap?
I don't know, but I beat you.
Yeah, you got me. Fair enough. Good job, little dog. Go win the whole thing.
Thanks, little dog.
Later, bro.
Emotional damage.
Tell him. It was just one. Oh, you alright?
Oh, it's so much
It's
sour.
spicy. It's spicy. Not ready for that methanol life. Alright, me and Little Dog just got our tech card for the day, and we have a question for you guys. What is that? So yeah, put it in the comments. What is that? I thought it was a jet engine, but I don't think it's...
a good guess.
It looks kind of jet engine-ish.
Something big.
I don't know what it is. I don't know. Nah, I bet it's something for drilling. We are in Texas.
Yeah,
Probably drilling. But hey, if you guys know what that is, put it in the comments. Thank you. Hey, Hollis, how many cars we got? 36 in Little Gangsters? I don't know, it's a lot of money. 10,700 to win to go 530s on 28s. Yeah, you could say Little Gangsters is healthy around here, folks.
Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
Win bottles or buy one, get one free.
Just tripping on day. Dreams got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.